Hi, I'm Rebecca and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Today, we'll outline 7 major benefits of replacing your home's windows, like improved energy costs, improved security, upgraded aesthetics, and so much more. By the end, you'll understand what benefits you and your home will receive when replacing your windows. Then, you can take the next steps in your project confidently knowing how it will benefit you. Quality measure to look at in replacement windows is the air infiltration rating. This rating measures the amount of air that comes through the window, allowing air to pass in and out of your home. Older windows will have a lower air infiltration rating simply due to old age. So, newer windows will improve this air infiltration rating and block more air from passing in and out of your home. Because new windows provide a better seal around that window opening, the interior temperature of your home is able to stay inside. If you have a multi-story home, you might have experienced a warmer temperature on the higher levels than in the lower ones. This is an example of an imbalance in temperature equilibrium, and replacing your windows can help improve the consistency of your home's temperature. Replacing your windows will help regulate the temperature of your home. When your home is more insulated and the temperature is regulated, your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard. This ultimately uses less energy and lowers your utility costs. Similar to how new windows will help create a better seal to air passing in and out of the windows, it will also help protect your home from water infiltration and other outdoor elements. Your windows act as a barrier to the inside of your home. Rain, hail, snow, wind, and sun are external forces your windows are put up against. When windows are worn and not performing as they should, your home is at risk of internal damage like rot and mold. Everyone wants to feel secure and protected in their home. If your windows are broken in any way, this can pose a threat to your security and safety. It's important your windows operate properly to keep you safe in your home and also provide an emergency exit if needed. It doesn't matter if your style is classic and traditional or modern and contemporary. New replacement windows will provide your home with an elevated look. If you're trying to sell your home in the next few years or later down the line, having newer windows won't only make your home look better, but it can help entice a buyer with the numerous benefits new windows have to offer. When you replace your windows, you have the opportunity to choose various window shapes and design elements, like the grills and grid patterns. If you have windows with a detailed grid pattern but you want more light coming in, you can replace your windows with larger windows with no grids. This will provide you with more natural daylight and allow your view to open up. So, as you're researching all about window replacements like window types, contractors, and installation processes, it's important you have realistic expectations for the cost of your project. There are many factors that influence that cost, and we linked a video above that breaks down everything that goes into the cost of a window replacement. Thank you for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.